Isang magandang hapon po mga barangay. Online na naman dahil sa 101.1 Mais FM. Ilaw Station, live na live po tayo ngayon. Ang oras natin, alas 4:30 ng hapon. Mais!
Ihaw nga na yung mais parang
Gimig-gimig na lang.
gimi-gimi.
Gimi-gimi. O sige. It's a genius night. Pretty girls, one more time. Got me wide open like a clothespin. I'll make you burst down home. I'll make it a swing. My girl, just gimme, 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 gimme. Me a pum pum got me the sky, got me the congrat. Ninos got kami nos pussy got. Got me kumano majay manat. Kung me kikita ka pum pum got. Girl from Trinidad, I'm not that. Instead of back from girl from Assam. Close banana, got what them, some them here you get one. That's why I'm glad. Ang galing lang.